We have a network now of over 310 gas stations in Switzerland. For years, we searched for a suitable system to manage our maintenance and servicing. We were operating very simply with Excel and very little system support. Everything we looked at were systems that would have required an enormous implementation effort on our part. Until we came across omis. What particularly convinced us was that there is a lot of industry know-how behind it. The people understand our needs, know exactly how the processes run, how the procedures work. In addition, there is a system that is very mature, specifically designed for gas stations and requires no system implementation, which greatly simplified the implementation for us. Furthermore, it is also very easy for our partners to navigate the system, which is very intuitive. The same applies to the suppliers and service providers. And in this regard, it was a very clear decision for us to choose it. Since we implemented omis, we have been continuously working on optimizing the system. There is a lot of initiative from the omis side to continuously optimize the system. On our side as well, we are continuously in exchange with omis to improve and adapt things to our needs. In the medium term, we are working on introducing key figures that will help us manage the business even better and more precisely. In the long term, we will also implement interfaces. Together with omis, we will introduce them to important partner systems, for example, in the car wash sector, so that we receive a lot of information automatically, which will also greatly facilitate our work in operations. We have been working with omis for 7 years now and have come to know omis as a partner who seeks exchange with us on an equal footing to continuously improve the system. We speak the same language. Everything is very straightforward and very pleasant in the collaboration.